So we need to explain the difference between a matrix and a determinant. So a matrix is a rectangular array of numbers that is represented in a row and column format, and it can be of any order. So let's write it down. Matrix is a rectangular array of numbers. Array of numbers. Can be of any order. So for example, these are matrices 3, 5, 6. This is 3 by 1 matrix, then 3, 1, 2, 5, 4, 3. This is a 3 by 2 matrix, and 3, 2, 1, 4, 2 by 2 matrix. So all of these are rectangular arrays of numbers. They are not just scalar numbers. Matrices are arrays. At the same time, a determinant is a scalar number which is associated with a certain matrix, and it can be found only for square matrices. So determinant, a number. So while matrix is an array, determinant is a number associated with a square matrix. Associated with a square matrix. So for instance, if we have a 2 by 2 matrix, 2 by 2 matrix, 2, 5, -1, 3. So this is some matrix A. We can find the determinant of this matrix since it's a square matrix. So the determinant of A equals 2, 5, -1, 3. So when we need to find the determinant of 2 by 2 matrix, we multiply these two entries and then we subtract the product of other two entries. So it equals 2 times 3 minus 5 times -1. So it's 6 plus 5, which is 11. So as you can see, determinant is a scalar number. It's not an array. Also, if a scalar is multiplied to a matrix, then it's multiplied to all the elements of the matrix. So if we, for instance, multiply a matrix 1, -2, -4, 6, 9, 8 by some scalar number, for example 3, we need to multiply each entry of this matrix by this number. So we get 3, -6, -12, 18, 27, 24. But if a scalar is multiplied to a determinant, then it's multiplied to only one row or column. So for example, if you need to multiply a determinant of 2, 5, -1, 3 matrix by 3, you just multiply one row or one column of this matrix whose determinant we use in order to find this product. So for instance, we will multiply only the first row. So we will get 2 times 3, 5 times 3, -1, 3 here. So here we get 6, 15, -1, 3. You also can multiply, for example, the second row by a scalar the second row of this matrix by a scalar number 3. So if you multiply a determinant by a scalar number, you only multiply one row or one column. But when you multiply a matrix by a scalar number, you multiply each entry of all rows and columns. So yeah, these are the main differences between matrices and determinants. But still, the most important thing to remember is matrix is not a number, it's an array, while determinant is just a number associated with a matrix.